Ever wondered what TypeScript is? Well, think of it as a powerful superset of JavaScript that brings new capabilities and robust type checking to your code. Essentially, it's JavaScript that scales. TypeScript adds optional types, classes, and modules to JavaScript, making it an excellent tool for large-scale applications. Now, why is TypeScript gaining popularity in the programming community? It's pretty simple. TypeScript has an ability to catch errors during development rather than at runtime, making debugging a whole lot easier and faster. This means less time fixing bugs and more time developing your application. And if you're wondering who uses TypeScript, well, it's being utilized by large tech companies like Microsoft and Google. That's right, these tech giants trust TypeScript for their complex systems, and you can too. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into what TypeScript can offer. So, how does TypeScript work? You might be wondering. Well, to put it in simple terms, TypeScript operates through a process known as transpilation. This means that TypeScript is converted or compiled into JavaScript. Why JavaScript, you ask? Because JavaScript is the language that web browsers understand and can execute. Now let's delve a bit deeper. One of the key features of TypeScript is its use of type annotations. These annotations allow for type checking at compile time. This is a game changer, as it helps to identify and fix errors during the development process, not after the code has been deployed. Think of it like a proofreading tool for your code. It checks for mistakes before the code is sent out into the world, ensuring fewer bugs and a smoother user experience. Now that we understand how TypeScript works, we can explore how to use it. Ready to get your hands dirty with TypeScript? Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get TypeScript installed on your machine. And for that, we're going to use NPM, which is short for Node Package Manager. If you don't have it installed already, head over to the official Node Digest website, download it, and you'll have NPM ready to go in no time. Now, with NPM in place, installing TypeScript is as simple as typing npm install g TypeScript into your terminal or command prompt. Hit enter, let it do its thing, and voila, you've got TypeScript ready to roll. Next, let's create a simple TypeScript file. Open your code editor, create a new file, and give it a TS extension. This indicates it's a TypeScript file. Now let's write a basic function, say a function that adds two numbers. But here's where TypeScript shines. We're going to use type annotations. By declaring our variables as numbers, TypeScript will help us catch any errors if we accidentally try to add, say, a string to a number. Finally, let's compile our TypeScript file into JavaScript. Back in the terminal, type tsc, followed by the file name. This will create a new JavaScript file with the same name, containing our compiled code, and there you have it. You've just installed TypeScript, written your first piece of TypeScript code, and compiled it into JavaScript. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? But we're just scratching the surface of what TypeScript can do. So why should you consider using TypeScript? It's a good question, and the answer lies in the many benefits TypeScript offers. Firstly, TypeScript provides robust type checking. This means it can catch errors during coding rather than during runtime. It's like having a helpful code-side assistant that prevents you from making common mistakes. This reduces the time spent on debugging and increases the time you have for actual development. Secondly, TypeScript improves tooling with features such as autocompletion and navigation. Autocompletion saves you keystrokes and helps prevent spelling errors, while navigation features can help you quickly find definitions and references in your code. This makes your coding process smoother and more efficient. Thirdly, TypeScript allows you to use advanced JavaScript features before they become widely supported. This means you can stay at the cutting edge of JavaScript development, using the latest and greatest features before they're even available in standard JavaScript. Perhaps one of the most significant benefits of TypeScript is how it makes code easier to read and understand. By adding types, your code becomes self-documenting. This not only makes it easier for others to understand your code, but it also makes it easier for you to understand your own code when you come back to it, months or even years later. Moreover, TypeScript can reduce bugs and make maintenance easier. With its strong type checking, potential issues can be caught and fixed early, making your code more reliable and easier to maintain. As you can see, TypeScript is a powerful tool that can greatly improve your JavaScript coding experience. So why not give it a try?